This is my daughter's bedroom that I'm renovating. I'm putting the trim up. We finished the ceiling and put the light up. And we're gonna patch that hole in the wall. I'll put some trim up over here and some trim up over here. And we'll just keep working. Trim's up. I'm gonna show you how I deal with the irregularity in just a moment. Look at that. I'm gonna show you how I fix that. Okay, so I've painted the walls with one coat of paint. I've caulked the trim, and I still need to paint the trim with another coat. This is finally dry. I'm gonna fill it with more joint compound and then show you how I sand it down tomorrow. And this is where that hole in the wall was. It's still drying. And show you what the color looks like. That's the new color. So that area's been skimmed twice now. I'm waiting for that to dry. And then it's time to sand this corner and show you how I make it look like it was meant to be. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm just gonna keep sanding it till I get it closer and closer to trim. And then I'm going to fix this corner with joint compound and get this looking a lot more normal. It almost looks normal now, but I'm gonna keep at it and try to make it look like I got my corners flush. So I'm just gonna take the scraper. I'm gonna scrape off some of these corners and see how there's these lumps there. I'm gonna try to scrape them off because they're not sanding off. Oh, and this is where I'm at right now. I'm going to take some joint compound and fill this area in right here to make it kind of disguise that it's a little wider. This piece is slightly wider than that piece. And I'm gonna disguise it by doing that. Okay. So I built that area up right there to kind of make it so that when it dries, I can make a nice straight line with that. And then I'm going to fill that area up, the holes, and so I can sand it one more time and get it really clean looking. All right, well, it's dried, and now I'm gonna sand it. Right, this is where I'm at right now, and I'm just going to fill these areas ever so slightly, and these are going to dry really quickly, and I'll be ready to paint this very soon. Okay, so I finished the trim. It's painted. It's been fully, I don't know, the corners have been fixed. The doors are now painted, and the trim around the doors are painted. And I'm gonna put the doorknob back on that, and then I'm gonna work on these windows next. where we're at right now. Baseboard has been painted. Windows and trim have been painted. That needs to be razored out. That's been painted. Doors are finished. Tomorrow, what I need to do is sand this area right here and do a second coat of pink. And then we're essentially ready to get the floor sanded. There it is. So everything's finished. The windows are razored. Walls are double coated.
Rachel, where are you?
Shh. And now Nathan is sanding the floor. And Nathan is sanding the floor.
Huh? Shut the door, please. What? Here, go.
I got him.
Here, you coming in or?
No, stop it.
All right, sweetie.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, well here, shut.